How's it going, YouTuber? It's me, AMR, back with another unboxing video on the same day. The AMR is on it today. This is an unboxing video for the Oki P20i wireless in-ear headphones. Now, if you can remember, about 3 years ago, I unboxed the Oki Soundcore Liberty Neo headphones, which were one of the best in-ear headphones I've ever used. 3 years down the line, those headphones are I'm still using them, but I noticed one of the earphone pieces, the volume dropped a little. But to be honest with you, this issue only started after 3 years of use. So they lasted me 3 years and they're still going. I'm not going to throw them in the bin. I'm still going to use them. But this is the upgraded versions, which apparently I've heard a lot of great things of. So I got them in a snap. And here we are 3 years later with the Soundcore by Anker. They call it Oki, man. By Anker. I don't know what to call it anymore. And it's a P20 series. Let's go and unbox it right now. So this is the box. IPX waterproof, 30 hours playback. Wow. 20 million people, man. And then you've got all the good stuff there. Hell yeah. Right, let's go and open it straight away. It's headphone day today. I mean, I don't know when I'm going to upload this video, but literally a second ago I was unboxing and work from home headphones. So let's go and open this very nice and gently, like so. There we have it. And we've got the instructions very nice and neatly tucked under. There's a QR code on that because this has a dedicated app, and that app has equalizers all over the place. And then what we have is USB-C. Thank God, I love USB-Cs. Heck yeah, that's one thing I needed. And then what we have in here is all the different size earbuds, which I am going to have a test to see which one I need to use. And here is the brand new set of headphones. Dude, I'm loving this box. It's so nice and smooth and tiny. Oh, this is an easy wrapper. I love the wrapper. Now here is for the grand reveal, man. It looks like soap bars. Very slippy. And it's got this cool dude swing around thingy-majig. Let's open it. And there are the headphones. Dude, these lines are looking, I mean not lines, these antenna thingies are looking pretty big. Let's shove one of them in my ear to see what the situation is. So this is the right ear. Nice, looking good. Cool. It's really nice and comfortable. In terms of gym use, I don't see these sticking out of my ears anytime soon. They're nice and comfortable. And now I'm going to put the other one in. And to be honest with you, I put one of the earbuds inside my ear, and the noise reduction is huge. Let me put the other one in and see if I can hear anything at all. Complete silence. Wow. These are they're blocking out a lot of sound, man. I feel like I've gone deaf, but anyway, let's put this back in. So, right goes in there, and left goes in here. I wonder if this has got any charge. I'll be back with this in a sec. Yep, it does. It's got charge. It's got one single light, and it's gone off. I have a feeling it hasn't got any charge at all. This definitely needs charging, man. Apparently it takes actually I don't want to say anything. I'll leave the where it says charging case. Where's it gone? I saw something about fast charge or something. Nope, I didn't do my research before this unboxing video. However, all the stats and about this is going to be in the description down below regarding the speakers and where to buy them from and the specs. So once again, thank you for watching. Stay awesome. Take care. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Peace out, man.